everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's requested video, I'm going to be talking about the importance and benefits of setting up a Pinterest business account the right way. So this is going to be a value-packed video, so make sure that you stick around till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new videos that I upload. Also, I wanted to make sure that you guys check out my Mastering Pinterest course. So if you're interested in learning how to explode your traffic by leveraging the power of Pinterest, I will leave the link right below the video. Make sure that you click on it. It has the full course curriculum and you'll be able to see everything that comes included. So let's go ahead and get started in this video. Now, the first step in using Pinterest to market your Etsy business or your Shopify or your affiliate marketing is switching over to a business account. You want to make sure that you're complying with Pinterest terms of service and you're not using a personal profile for commercial purposes, because if you are, it could potentially get your account suspended. So keep that in mind. You also don't want to send mixed signals to the Pinterest algorithm by using your business account for personal and business. So what I recommend is having them separately. So let's go ahead and talk about the main reasons why you need to switch over to a Pinterest business account. The first one is free. You don't pay anything to convert your personal profile or to start a Pinterest business account from scratch. You don't have to pay anything, so why not use it? Secondly, your account will appear more professional because with a Pinterest business account, you can actually use your business name as the name of the account. So keep that in mind. That's a big plus. In addition to that, now you will have access to Pinterest analytics. And it's really important as an Etsy seller or if you sell your own products, regardless if you're not an Etsy seller, maybe you have a blog, that you understand what's working and what's not working on your business. And the best way to measure that is through data. So having Pinterest analytics, you'll be able to go from the back end and you'll be able to see what pins are performing really well, what pins are not performing well, and you'll be able to assess, okay, I need to do more of this and I need to get rid of these. So that's the reason why you need to make sure that you're assessing your analytics all the time. In addition, now you will have access to rich pins. And as you probably already know, rich pins are huge on Pinterest. Whether you're doing a product pin, if you sell on Etsy, or maybe you're promoting products directly from your blog, which will be considered an article pin. Or maybe you do recipes, so that will be considered a recipe rich pin, right? So depending on what you're promoting on Pinterest, the rich pins are really cool because it pulls data directly from the site. So if you're promoting a product pin directly from Etsy, it's going to pull the title, it's going to pull the meta description, which is really great, and it's going to give you more room in the actual Pinterest description to add additional tags and descriptions to rank even more. So these are the benefits. Plus, with rich pins, if you sell product pins, it automatically has the price. So people, when they're shopping on Pinterest, they'll see the title, the meta description, and pricing as well. And the cool thing about rich pins is that in the future, if you ever made a price adjustment to that particular product on your Etsy store, the actual pin automatically updates on Pinterest. So you won't necessarily have to go back and edit that pin or add new pins. It'll automatically update for you. So that's a big benefit for you as well. And with a Pinterest business account, you're able to also run Pinterest ads, which I highly recommend them. So once you already have a business account, you could go ahead and start scheduling ads as well to reach a larger audience. So these are all the benefits of setting up your Pinterest account, plus what I said in the beginning. Having it set up as a Pinterest business account will help you not get your account suspended when you're promoting commercial products. So keep that in mind. So there's many benefits, but that's probably the main one that should be your concern if you have not done the switch already. Now, if you're interested in learning how to do the switch, I will leave I'm going to leave 2 links right below this video. One is how to start a business account from Pinterest from scratch. The second link is how to convert your existing personal profile into an actual business account. So I will leave both links below. If you have any questions about the process, maybe you get stuck in anything, let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to assist you. If you enjoyed this video, also let me know, because this helps me create more material and it helps me prepare for what videos I should be adding to the channel. Thanks again for watching and have a terrific day.